This is Ben with Tucson Future Classics here to give you a walk around of stock number 25075. This is a 2023 Toyota RAV4 LE hybrid all-wheel drive. It's a one-owner vehicle, no accidents, very well maintained. This one has 31,000 miles. Thanks to it being a hybrid, this vehicle does get 41 miles per gallon in the city, which is very impressive for something this size. And with the all-wheel drive system, it's ready to tackle any adventure you want to take it on. We'll go ahead and take a look at the interior now. This one features a black cloth interior with OEM rubber floor mats all around, including the trunk. Infotainment center is nice and in the middle. It's very responsive. It almost feels like an iPad. It has wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Air conditioning is ice cold, as should be expected from a vehicle that's almost brand new. You have some controls for your traction control system right here. This has all the modern safety features you would want, including lane keep assist and radar cruise control. There's that mileage of 31,000. Plenty of space in the back seat. Fit 3 people across, no problem. And everyone will keep cool with air conditioning vents back here and a power outlet. This has a cavernous trunk for all of your gear. And a spare tire. You can find more pictures of this vehicle on our website, www.tucsonfutureclassics.com. If you'd like to schedule a test drive, please feel free to call our dealership at 520-268-6244.